Before buying rural land, price these two hidden utilities, or your home building budget could change fast. If public water and sewer are not available, you may need both a private well and a septic system. For the well, do not budget only for drilling. Depth, geology, casing, the pump, pressure tank, electrical connection, trenching to the house, water testing, and possible treatment can all affect the final scope. Some well contracts even separate the charge per foot from materials and dry hole conditions. Septic costs are equally site-specific. The soil evaluation, household size, slope, lot layout, setbacks, permits, tank, drain field, excavation, and inspection all matter. Poor soils or a constrained property may require a pumped or advanced system instead of a basic gravity design. That is why the best time to investigate utilities is before finalizing the home location, or ideally, before purchasing the land. In Dream Home, Cost to Build, you can compare municipal water with a well, enter an assumed well depth, and model conventional or advanced septic as part of the broader planning range budget. Download Dream Home, Cost to Build, and compare your rural home assumptions before requesting local evaluations and bids.